What's the way YouTube? It's about Tyke and I'm back with another motherfucking video.
Back on the radar. Tomato, whatever you call it, the inside of all of them.
How the fuck are they? But we're finna do it for the video. You see, we're gonna do it for the what? For the motherfucking video. We got a Friday match based off Halloween outfits. You feel me? Who got in the front here, man? What's the outfit today?
I got told a black Bruce Wayne, but I'm really going for Frank Lucas.
Okay. And the outfit over here, what's the outfit?
Harley Quinn, but we finna do a black version of Harley Quinn.
Hey, everything black today. You feel we get straight to the video. Friday match based off outfits. You feel we got a few young niggas in the building. You feel me? We got a few. You feel me? All right, we're gonna get straight to the video real quick. We're gonna go rock paper scissors. Come on, y'all two first. Rock paper scissors. We're gonna go first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
You see me? Gonna go and shoot. Don't be cheating now. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, that's one. Let's do it at three. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. There you go, your ass. Ready?
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What the fuck?
You got
it. Cheating.
Y'all gotta redo.
One more.
One more.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
All right,
Okay. So you want them to go first or you want to go first?
Yeah, they go first.
Want the girls to go first. Who want to go first?
I'll go first.
You want to go first?
What's up?
All right, who we here with?
Y'all already know it's the real Lexi in this bitch. Y'all might have seen me on South Central Baddies. Now I'm on the motherfucking YouTube stream with Tyreek. Yeah, let's get it.
All right. So it's a walk on the line based off the outfits. You know, we got a few young niggas. We got Bruce Wayne. You feel me?
This motherfucker, you know you fly. I gotta pay the respect off real. You already know buzz down.
I'm going for Frank Lucas though, to be honest with you. You know, he was a real one that had the cake like that. You know what I'm saying?
It's good.
Okay.
I'm gonna move down the line though. Let me see.
Okay.
You know. I can call you for anything. Like, I don't know.
Call me what?
For anything. Like, anything go down, I don't know. I can call you for anything. Security, goddamn food. Anything. You come through. You feel me? You just give, ready to go.
Shit.
You give young niggas. Oh, God. You give young
We got a
niggas.
couple of those. We got a couple of those. We gotta have one of those in the video now.
She
Come
a
on.
damn lie. We ain't gotta have none. No shit.
Keep it going on.
I like this though. He been all day. I don't know. It's something about this motherfucker right here. I'm gonna find out.
Okay. Hi, shit. Man, who we got right here, man?
Man, I'm from Birmingham, you know what I mean? Know me? I'm from London. But hold up, I'm from London, yeah?
Come on, what we doing?
Alright. So we gives burglar. Not ASAP. You been stealing?
I'll be robbing niggas here.
Okay, no. Alright.
Excuse me?
At least you honest. Oh God,
No.
You honest. You an honest burglar, but I don't like being robbed. We good. Oh no. You give me chill vibes.
Yeah.
I can't read you, so I don't know. I can't read you.
Alright, so who you
I don't know. You too neutral for me. It's like you don't look like you're being bullshit. It's like so it's like I can't tell.
never know.
You got crazy ass. I don't know. Police, young nigga.
Bruce Wayne.
You already know. You had that come through trim. You asked the purple trim.
So who you picking though? Who's the match? Who you trying to with? Bruce Wayne?
It's the red.
You gotta accept first.
You see how she gonna sit here and try to tell me I done bought restaurants and movies before and shit. She said you
Let me not ready for visit. Everybody else came like that.
So what we doing, Bruce Wayne? Hi, shit. Y'all fucking here then, man.
They can also try to steal. If they can.
You got the first match. You feel me? I'm fucking. Oh, shit, girlfriend. I read the last time. Who wanna go? They go PDSSP or who here, man?
Man, we're friends. Yeah. I'm friends with y'all. This your boy Devil TV. That's our screen. Make sure y'all like that.
Bruce Wayne, could you take it outside, though? No.
You a little spin for me. Let me see what you got.
Boy, don't fuck with me. We both sad. What's up? What you want to know?
Everything. I don't know, you freaky.
Damn straight, you like it.
I'm still on the same.
10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where you from?
Missouri.
Which part?
No, I mean, I guess you could say STL.
Yo, I'm gonna go with.
What's your name? What's your Instagram?
Big Teddy, what y'all know? Big Teddy, what y'all know? What the fuck going on? Big wise.
Okay, so you trying to match up with you, type shit. What you doing? You trying to match up with you? What you
You
doing?
want to say something?
No, let me get all this. You wanna come home with me? We be on some freaky shit or not?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Okay.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna go so far. We got 2 for 2 so far. We're back on the girls. Who wanna go? Moving here. What's the costume first of all?
Okay, I'm Cupid, y'all. Can y'all tell?
Looking like.
I'm drunk as fuck.
Okay, what's Instagram?
What is it?
IG.
Adria.Lachey.
Okay, so people, we got 2 young ladies and the cop.
Hey! What my phone?
We got 2 young ladies and the cop.
Yeah?
So, well, what I'm allowing you to between you.
Okay.
So what you think? Young nigga number 1.
You want me to rate them?
Yeah.
Alright, I give you like a 7.5 out of 10.
Okay.
Okay, I fuck with it. I fuck with it good. And then you, are you giving like a 4.5 out of 10?
Okay.
Next. Alright, I'm gonna give you like a, let's see, maybe like a 4.5, 2.
I'm just curious. What would you give me?
You get 10 out of 10.
Anyway, so, out of the 3 guys, who you want to match up with?
We match. Me and you?
Out of the 3 guys.
Me and you matching.
You want to match with me?
Yeah. Fuck with you guys. We match. Wanna match?
No?
You wanna match with me?
Oh, shit,
Yeah. Me and you matching. Y'all see me?
Alright, I got a place to be there though, so you know.
Alright, here we go.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Scooter G. Follow me on Instagram at Scooter from the Lou. My costume is I'm a YN, man. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Myself. Alrighty. So we got 2, you know what I'm saying, beautiful ladies over here, type shit. You know what I'm saying? You got on the red and the blue. You know what I'm saying? You got on the black. You know what I'm saying? I like black. You know what I'm saying? I like red. But you making the blue. You know what I'm saying? I'm just, as a matter of fact, stand on this side. No, like, yeah, there you go. There you go. You see what I'm saying? I'm loving it. The red is magnificent. You see what I'm saying? I hope motherfuckers don't hold this against me, YouTube. You see what I'm saying? We had a conversation, goddamn me, the other day. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers called some little vibe. She cool as hell type shit. She was mad at me because in my video shoot, you know what I'm saying, I popped up balloon type shit. But, you know what I'm saying, I need to, you know what I'm saying, run that back. I got to do that again type shit. So, look, what's up? What we doing?
We a match.
Yeah. Hey, now.
I ain't gonna lie, we got some matches in here, man. Apparently somebody got to sleep, but you got to go next. Oh, it's her. My bad.
No, one of them can go. It's okay.
No, it's on you. You want to go? Yeah. The seat option is available, you feel me?
Man, you know what the fuck going on. This Booker, man, the best promoter in St. Louis. You know what the fuck going on.
You can either match up with her or see any other girls who coupled up.
You gonna match up with me?
I gotta get to know you first, boo.
Say it again.
I gotta get to know you first,
You want
boo.
to know?
What you wanna know?
How old are you?
I'm 22.
You're 22. What you do for work?
I'm in college.
Oh, okay, for what you say?
Communications. I'm trying to be a sports analyst.
Okay. You got something you want to ask me?
What you do with your life?
I'm in college for psychology right now.
What school you go to?
Maryville.
Ooh, I go to her stuff.
Okay, type shit.
Type shit. How old you is?
I'm 19.
You 19? You gonna match up with me?
We can match up, yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, the cop gotta do a little bit of bank robbery today. Who we here with, man?
It's your boy Only Grind Queez, man. Follow me on Instagram, Queez Be Praying. Tap
I'm
in
gonna
with
tap in
me.
with you, right? I'm gonna ask you right off rip. Who you want to steal? Do you want to steal or do you not want to steal? That's the question.
Nah, pimpin'. I'm gonna let them guys keep their women, man. I'm good, pimpin'.
Nah, man,
I'm gonna let
popping
them
out, man.
shine.
You feel me? It's been a
Yes,
good cop
sir.
today. You know, good cop, bad cop. You feel me? Good cop today. You feel me? Hey, I have to give you that video real quick, man. Yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's the boy Tarek. It's really me, y'all. You feel me? It's the boy Tarek. We out of here.